Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about MonadAirdrop only guys. So here you can see they have raised literally funding of 225 million above dollars in the total funding round, and Paradigm is one of the lead investors. So this one is the expected airdrop. The reason is Wormhole did the airdrop to the people for Monad community. So definitely Monad will also do airdrop for the people to the Wormhole community. Okay, so what you need to do is delegate your Wormhole token through this platform so that you might get eligible for the airdrop in case Monad does any airdrop to the people to the Wormhole community. Okay, so and recently if you check Wormhole, no, they did a tweet of G Monad. Okay, and here you can see the reply tweet also from Monad side. Even they said G Monad, so probably Wormhole community might get the airdrop from the Monad from Monad. Okay, and they have a huge funding, so do not miss this one. So we're going to see about this only guys in this video. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and all I'm asking you from you is just give me one like and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop detail, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must follow me here also. And before we start our video, I wanted to give a huge update about this particular project called Cookie. Okay, so the TG is gonna happen on 13th June 2024, and it's launching on Bybit guys, and 10 AM UTC it will be launching. Okay, so about this project is actually Cookie3 is a marketing FI and AI data layer for Web3. Okay, for example, Cookie3 is for Web3 is like Google Analytics for Web2, no? So like that only. Every company needs it to understand its user and run marketing campaign. It is already integrated by over 300 dApps and growing by over 2 dApps daily. Okay, so this one is a kind of a huge project, and it's launching through Polkastarter and all, and it's gonna get listed in Bybit. Okay, and there is another campaign is also going on with the Bybit. If you want, you can even go and join. Okay, so all you have to do is register a new account and give your Bybit ID and confirm the registration and deposit $100 so that you might get this reward. Okay, BMW, M2, Rolex or else PlayStation. And apart from that, Cookie community airdrop is also going. Already I've announced about these things inside my Telegram channel. Okay, so if you want to participate in the airdrop, must participate guys. Very simple only. Already explained what and all you have to do. So all you have to do is just go inside bakery and complete the normal quest, and then you'll be able to go to the ecosystem, and there also you'll be able to claim the extra points. Okay, by claiming all these points you'll be able to climb up the leaderboard and might get the airdrop from them. So try it soon. It's going to end within 4 days, 24 hours only left, and the TG is also very soon. Okay, so we have 13th June 2024 it's gonna be launching. So before that, if you want to know about their project, you can go and check all the things that they're going to do. So it's a huge one. By seeing their project itself, I can say it's a huge one. So once it gets listed in Bybit and all, I may make a separate video for about this project. Okay, so since the TG is gonna happen soon, let's wait and see how it's going to perform. Okay, so if we want to get this token, we'll be able to get it from Bybit itself. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video guys. So about MonadAirdrop, the thing is very simple. What we need to do is we just need to stake our Wormhole token in the tally. Okay, so here we just need to stake our Wormhole token. If we do stake our Wormhole token, the Monad might give the airdrop to the Wormhole community. Okay, so you will be getting some voting power and all if you stake. Okay, so what you have to do is just click the link in the description. Once you click on the link, it will take you here. So once you come here, just click on stake for governance, and then it will take you here, and click on start button, and firstly connect your wallet guys. And after you connect your wallet, here you can see here will be able to delegate. Okay, so if you want to delegate to yourself, you can even go to delegate yourself, but you gotta vote on your own. Okay, but if you delegate to myself, if you want to find my address, all you have to do is just copy my address in the description and paste it here. And in case if you want to delegate to myself, just paste it here and click on enter. You'll be able to find me. Okay, so just click on select, and once you click on the select, and click on continue, and after you click on continue, and here we need to bridge asset from from Solana chain to some other EVM chain. Okay, so currently I'm having 1000 Wormhole token with me. Okay, so here you can see I'm having some Wormhole token with me. So what we need to do is just connect your Phantom wallet, and then we need to connect our EVM wallet. Okay, so just click on connect, and then my Phantom wallet got connected, and now we need to connect the EVM wallet. Okay, so first choose the network. You can go with Arbitrum or Optimism or anything, okay, but go with the base, because it will be interacting in the base network also, so that you might receive airdrop from base side also. So like it's just an interaction only, no, for that purpose only I'm saying. So just click on connect wallet and click on MetaMask, and then MetaMask will get connected, and just give the full amount. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer my 1005 wormhole from Solana chain to base chain, and then I'll even show you guys how you can withdraw back your balance. Okay, so currently we are not staking, we are just simply like getting the governance power. So once you do this, your amount will be sitting in your wallet only, you don't need to worry about it. So anytime you can you can go and again bridge back your asset and get back to your wallet. Okay, so your balance is not stuck anywhere. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. So once you give the balance, and just scroll down and click on approve and proceed with the transaction, and once you click on the approval, then Phantom wallet will open, and we need to pay the fee, and then just click on confirm. And one more thing guys, if you want to bridge back again from base chain to this chain, you gotta have some balance in the base network also, keep that in your mind. So now what you have to do is just click on confirm. So guys, the transaction got completed, and now you need to click on this confirm delegation, and before that you can add W to your wallet. Okay, so just click on add token and add the token in your wallet, and now just click on confirm delegation. So sometimes it will take you out. Okay, so do the process, same process again. Okay, so just come here and click on continue, and so we have already done the transfer now, so just click on the skip, and here you can see our wallet is connected and the balance is also showing. So make sure to know that your wallet is in the base chain, then only it will add the token. Okay, so our balance in the base chain. So just delegating, if you want you can delegate to me, or else you can delegate to whomsoever you want, or else you can even delegate to yourself. Okay, so just click on I read and agree to the tally terms of services. So once you click on that, and just stake for governance, so just to use free gas to stake for governance. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. Once you click on this one, MetaMask will pop up, just do the sign, and once you click the sign, it will get staked successfully. Okay, so here you can see guys, it got staked, and delegating vote power we are having is 1k. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to delegate it, and don't worry about your balance guys, it didn't go anywhere. If you open your wallet, you'll be able to see. Okay, so your balance will be sitting in your wallet only. So if you want to swap it back, you can actually use the portalbridge.com. so come here and connect your wallet, and we'll be able to bridge back to again Solana network. From there to you can withdraw back to your wallet. Okay, so it's very simple to do that. So once you complete all the tasks, no, so there is a Galaxy task is also there to prevent you from Sibyl. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on this one. If you click on this one, it will take you here. So here you need to mint this NFT. Okay, so just connect your wallet and check your score. Your score should be above 40, and if it's above 40, you'll be able to mint your. Okay, so $5 it will cost. Okay, in the Matic. So keep some balance and then mint this NFT. Once you mint this NFT, come here and click on the check button, and then you need to go inside and follow them on the Twitter account. And finally, once you stake, no governance thing. So guys, the stake for governance by Monday, we completed this one. Okay, so just now we did the delegation and all. So but even though if you do the refresh, it will not get done. The reason is, come back here on June 10th, then it will get done. Okay, so pretty much these are the things you gotta do in order to participate for this event. Okay, so I mean in order to delegate your wormhole. Okay, so currently you can see 1k wormhole we have delegated. It's totally up to you to delegate to myself, or else to anybody, or else even to yourself. Okay, so it's totally up to you to delegate for anybody. Okay, but if you delegate to myself, I'll be actually voting for behalf of you, so you don't need to worry about it. And if you do delegate your asset, no, so you might get eligible for the Monad airdrop, and they got a huge funding, so don't take this lightly. By the time they announce the airdrop, it could be the huge one, we don't know, because from wormhole Monad received a huge amount of airdrop. Okay, Monad community people received a huge amount of airdrop from wormhole side. Okay, so let's expect the same thing from Monad also. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do so, click the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.